So here I have the Awesome Science Experiments for Kids book. This has been a really fun thing for our kids. If you're a typical adult, sometimes finding good, wholesome things for your kids to do is difficult. And we've really enjoyed kind of diving into this book and doing some of these science experiments. My kids really love them. And, there's so many in here. There's so many things. And so, if you're looking for a fun little activity book that keep your kids busy, but also using their brains and keeping them active, this has been, a really fun thing for us to do. And our kids have really liked it as well. And so I definitely, highly recommend this book if you're looking for some awesome science experiments for kids. Just like the book states, this is definitely a good way to go. It definitely helps them learn and teach, helps us teach them different things about science, but also it makes it really fun.